the site for this, but it's www.nuim, which is National University Ireland Maynooth, .ie/language/vifax.shtml. And what it is, it's a site that has a bunch of excerpts, like 2-minute excerpts from T.G. Cahir. Looks like they're all news reports, but they're 2-minute news reports. And they have, for each sort of lesson, they have 2 news reports, one that's used for the beginning and intermediate level, and one that's used for an advanced level. And there is a text that goes with each one. And now I brought over, and I'll pass it around to look at, I brought the text from the first one that's on the site for the beginning one, so it's not actually very, very basic. So they start off, and all the instructions are in Irish. So what they have on here, to give you an idea of what it has, the beginning one, it's the title of it is from a news report. It says Postan na Geall-Cuid, which is jobs in danger in Cork. Okay, it's about something going on with jobs in Cork. And they have, first of all, some words in the beginning one to see if you know the words, because they're kind of keywords in the story. And then they say, go watch it. It's a video. So you watch it. And then there's some questions about it, all in Irish. Okay? It's not too bad because there's actually answers to the questions, which helps. And then there's some grammar points, so they pick out a couple things out of there that's relevant grammar, and they have some little exercises based on that. And then they had some, like, declension exercises or such. And they have answers for all those, and then they have some, like, more open questions that you, just assuming you're doing it in a group or something, so there's no answers to that, obviously. And then SHTML. And I'll put this on my website, and I already posted it to the Yahoo group, so if you're on the Yahoo group, you should have heard about it.
I'm looking here at page 27, though. I don't see it.
Is this one?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's the same. Yeah.
It's page 27, I don't know.
Yeah, the only one I
The script for the whole radio program,
Yeah,
the whole
I see,
program on
yeah.
there. So at the very least, you can read along and try to make sure the pronunciation. And there's usually a couple people. This one, there's the main announcer, there's the reporter, and there's 2 people who are interviewed. And they're all from different places, so you get different dialects. I was listening to some other one today, and one of the guys was from Cork, and so sorry, not Cork, but from Galway, and so I believe different pronunciation than the announcer. So it's really a nice chance to try to see different dialects. And there is no translation though, so you have to kind of figure that part out.
watch the pictures and go.
Yeah, but definitely look at it. There's a bunch on there. Usually the advanced one is a little different piece than the other 2. Okay, so I'll pass this around. You can take a look at it. It's just the sheet I printed out, so it doesn't have any web address on it. Yeah. So I passed around Lahan Afrachain. We're going to continue with in Geall. Actually, this and next week we'll finish off the chapter. Okay. So, let's see, we have Bob and Kathleen to read for us, right? You want to start us off, Bob?
Yeah, do you pronounce those F's like F's or like H's?
Dating. Yeah, you don't, yeah, it's an H one.
Okay.
Dating.
Dating edges egen a hurt dut up ni Janie she moran mahasa dut.
Okay, so dating, it just, okay, if you recall, Colin is talking to the doctor and is asking him if, he gave him some advice, and he says, is that all you have to give me? Okay, so he says, dating idjus egen a hortich. I don't know what dating means. Dating means I could. Okay, we'll talk about that one more a little bit later. Idjus, anyone know what idjus is? Has it, huh?
Anything to do with just jazz on its own?
No, it's actually, I don't think so. But it has a few different meanings, and the meaning here is a prescription. It's also used for a recipe.
Okay.
Like a formula or...
Yeah, to give you a hort.
Yeah, a hortich is to give you. So I could give you, a recipe, some recipe give you. Okay? Ach ni yeni she moran mahasadich.
I don't think it's going to do you much good.
Or ni ye ni she, it won't
Could
do.
not.
Okay, so Jane, we'll talk about that more when we get into the grammar. So ni ye ni she, it won't do. More on machasa, a lot of good.
Oh, that's
for
the
you.
future.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, we'll pick up the grammar in a second,
okay.
okay?
One's conditional, the other's future.
Yeah, so, Kathleen, you want to read number 2
Yeah.
for us?
It's beyond on solus thumb on mage shin.
Okay. Little is bjog. Solus. Solus without the accents is light. Solus is comfort. Okay?
That's little comfort.
Yeah, dom for me, yeah. And made shin is that much. So that's little comfort for me. Okay? Bob, number 3.
Staan en dochter via koppelen sucking.
Second.
Sucking.
Couple seconds.
Sucking.
What?
Stopped.
Not stopped, but
Stared.
stared. He stared.
The doctor.
The doctor stared at him.
Yeah.
Staan en dochter vijf couple seconds, for a couple seconds. Okay? Number 4. Kat.
What's the via mean?
We'll get to that. It's 4. 4.
Oh, four.
Power fly may.
Tori me.
Oh, Tori may, okay. Corla, nis kinche dutch, ma hastian shin wetch.
Okay, so Tori me. You know what Tori me means? You know the word tour?
I'm giving
I
you
will
what.
give.
I will
you
give. Tori me.
Counsel?
Korla nis kinche.
Counts.
More
Well,
counsel? Certainly. Please.
Nis kinche.
What?
Huh? You know the word kinche?
Yes.
Yeah, it usually means indeed. It means more certain, more definite. So, Turime Korlanish Kinchadich, I will give you more definite advice or more specific advice, okay?
Yep.
Mahastian Shinwet.
Just something.
You've seen some forms of this word, but
If
maybe
you
not
need
this
it.
form. If you need it, or if you want it. If you want it would be better.
Necessary, right?
Yeah, it could mean want or need. And in this case, it would probably make more sense to mean want. So I'll give you more, specific advice, more definite advice if you want it. Number 5, Bob.
Third run lava the flubana is the kartje.
Okay. Tor drum laiva the clubana. Clubs, right?
with your friends.
Drim laiva is the back of your hand.
No.
So give the back of your hand to clubs and we'll just turn your back on them.
Yeah.
Okay?
To your friends.
Wave them off or whatever, okay? It's the kharja.
Your
Right.
friends.
To your friends.
To your friends.
Yeah.
Ivershay Kathleen.
Aber go will to a dull har yar go kyan tunnel.
Okay, so Aberlo. Aberlo.
Say to him.
Tell to them.
Tell to them
Gewil to Igdol.
that you were going.
Harlar. Not Harlar. Harlar is overseas.
Oh.
Abroad. Okay? Gokyan Tamil.
Yes, for a while.
Yeah. Okay? Ivershacht.
Five post egin the king agus serig the baha.
Okay. Ishkabaha. Ishkabaha is water of life, so I think Baha is life, okay?
Save your life.
Safri means to earn, so earn your living.
Oh.
So fi post egen,
Find a job.
find some job, ditchain
For your
For
life.
yourself.
for yourself, agus safri devacha and earn your living. Earn your living. Yes, salwal is to save, safri is to earn. Comes from seher, which is work. So, or a work. Iver hOcht Kathleen.
Mer on va a jachterla, ma spaderla dinne, oil, lassie, or few do no ginne, mar husse a fostu.
Ostu. Okay. So mar an ba ifterlat. What words do we know from there? Anyone know the expression mar a chapul? Live horse. I guess yoi too fair. Live horse and you'll get grass. Okay, live a horse. I guess keep on and you'll get you'll get fed or something like that. So mar eran ba a ikterland. So live on the, what's the word eran ba? It's like an English word actually. Pa, pay. Okay, so live on the pay a ikterland. Ik is to pay, so live on the pay that they pay you. The
Okay.
ikterland. Mas fagerlat dinner a oil. Okay,
It's
yeah.
possible.
If it's possible,
Yeah.
lat for you. Dinner,
Person.
person, a oil. The word oil. It's the same as the word fi. To find or to get. To find in this case. To find a person, a vasi. Comes the word mass, which is respect or thinks. Yeah, mass by itself is respect. Mass as a verb means usually to think. So a